Hello everyone, welcome to Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B. Today we are making cast iron skillet cornbread. This thin, crispy bread, also known as Johnny cakes, but more traditionally known as Hoecakes, hot water cornbread, can be served with butter, syrup, soups, and other dishes. So go ahead and grab your notepad and jot down these simple ingredients. I like to add all my dry ingredients first to a bowl and whisk them together. In a separate bowl, combine your egg and oil, then add to the dry ingredients. I have some hot milk and I'm going to slowly whisk this into my dry ingredients until the mixture thickens. Now you can also use boiling water instead of milk. Guys, I like using a cast iron skillet for my hoe cakes. You want to make sure that it's hot. Add some oil to coat the skillet, then drop the batter into your desired size. Let it cook until your edges are golden brown and crispy. Then carefully flip and cook the other side until golden brown. Y'all please be very careful when using cast iron. The handle is just as hot as the pan, so make sure you have a dishcloth or a pot holder handy.
go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye.
Take a look at our beautiful Hoecakes, hot water cornbread, Johnny cakes, cast iron skillet cornbread, whatever name you want to use. I am very thankful for this traditional recipe that I have added a modern twist to. But I'm going to show you how my mom would serve these fluffy, crispy rounds. She'll make them enlarge in diameter, then the stack would be cut in triangles, just like this.
Please get out of my mind, just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I know.
You can eat them solo, add some syrup or preserve, but today I have a pot of collard greens, and these little triangles are perfect. And yes, they're going to serve as my utensil as well. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, then leave me some comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.